Hey, what's up, folks? I'm Randy Darrell, the Salad Man. And if you've been following me, you know I've lost over 50 pounds in the last 15 months. I've done it mostly by eating salads, exercise, and fasting. Today, I wanted to talk to you about making a garden salad. Not the hardest salad to do yet. Some folks still don't know how to make it, and I wanted to come in with something that everyone could appreciate going into the holidays. So let's take a look at how to make a garden salad. Okay, so we'll get started with the lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce, the lettuce of your choice. I like to use a lettuce that'll give me a little crunch. As you can hear the lettuce crunching, full of vitamin A for eye health, immunity, and great skin, vitamin K for your healthy blood clotting, vitamin C to support the immune system, folate, magnesium, iron, vitamin K, B6, and others. So the lettuce is loaded with vitamins and essential minerals. So that's one of the reasons why I love a good lettuce. You want to make sure that you get that lettuce nice and dry. You do not want to have wet, soggy lettuce and serve that. That's crazy. You can hear the crunch when I shake it. Next, we want to add the tomato, full of vitamin C to produce collagen and immunity. Onions full of vitamin C, B6, vitamin K, and folate. Also contains minerals like potassium and calcium, copper, and iron. Bell peppers, certainly the bell peppers contain mostly vitamins A and C. What I like about bell peppers mostly is that they bring a nice taste to just about any salad. One of my favorite fruits from the melon family is the cucumbers. Gotta have some cucumbers in your diet for hydration, potassium, and magnesium. Carrots offering a buck of vitamin A for vision, vitamin K, C, B, vitamins, and E, which help protect cells from damage. And you put this all together, what do you have? You're gonna have a tasty salad. I mean, just look at all of the colors. When you're getting a variety of colors in your salad, you know you're adding the right thing. I've added, with the bell peppers, I went with green and red bell peppers. Also with the onions, went with a red onion and a white onion. I love the taste of a sweet white onion. I'm talking about onions. So if you're looking at making your own salad, you can do so with some extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard, and that'll do it. Okay, I hope you're able to get some value out of the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Randy Darrell, the Salad Man. I'm out. Until next time.